So these are the aftermarket fog lights. This is on the driver side, the passenger side. So before you buy your fog lights, make sure you take some measurements for this bumper blank. As you can see, I did not cut them all the way through. I just cut a little section first and fit the fog light and then cut it more. You can see it's about 11 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So you don't need to cut the whole section because fog lights come in different size, so best to take some measurements. And these fog lights I bought from eBay and they were the right size. They are halogen and they came with the relays and all the wiring and connectors. So just keep looking eBay if you want to fit some fog lights. You need the right size. Don't buy the large ones because they might not look right, and plus they can hit the metal bit here. If I show you, if you buy the larger ones, they might hit this section and break the glass, and you don't want that. These are the right size. They don't hit this metal bit over here. And the way I have fitted these fog light is I bought some exhaust bracket on eBay and cut them and bend them into L shape, just to an angle where the lights are sitting flush with the bumper blank. And I had to drill 2 holes just to hold them. And these brackets, they come with the fog lights. And you bend them, drill some holes and fit them. It holds the lights securely, and as you can see, it's not moving. And I had to apply some duct tape just to make it a bit solid. So that's how I fitted the front fog lights. As you can see, they are sitting flush with the bumper blank. Okay, so I am using some heat shrink on these joints, and they just make the wires nice and tidy. So once I have done all the joints, I will go through all the connections, how you actually fit the cables with your original fog light switch, so that they work with your OEM switch and not aftermarket switch. So I have removed the fog light just to show you what I have done. So this is how I have joined this bracket with the fog light, and you have to bend to an L shape slightly so that when you fit the lights, it's holding on to the bumper. You just drill 2 holes and put the nut and the bolt back and joined the bracket with the bumper. And this is the way I have done it. You can do it the way you want, but because these are aftermarket, they are not a direct fit to these holes. That's where the G40 lights fit. You can also use this to file the section that you have cut, just to tidy up the edges. So just going through the wires and connections, obviously you have 2 wires coming from the fog lights. One is negative, which you need to earth, and the other one you need to join with the other fog light, which is this connection. So both positive from the fog lights are connected to each other, and both negatives go to the earth. So I will just go through the wiring connections with the relay. You can see I have marked the relay pin numbers. This one is 30, this one 85, then we have 87, and we have 86. So what you need to do is take your positive wire coming from the fog lights and connect it to pin number 87, and the negative from the fog lights connect to the earth, and then you have your positive with the fuse inside. That positive connects to the pin number 30, and this goes directly to the battery. And then we have your fog light switch wires, which is white and brown. If you look at your bulkhead, you will see there is a gray color connector, and I have already cut that, but that gray color connector has 2 wires, brown and white. So what you do is take that white and connect it to pin number 86, and that brown wire coming from the fog light switch or the connector goes to the relay number 85, the pin number 85, and just 4 wires you need to connect to the relay, and it will work with your inside fog light switch. And you can obviously place them over here, the relay. There's a small hole on the bracket here that's on the ECU. You can connect it to the ECU bracket and just cable tie the wires just to tidy them up, and that's it. That's all you need to do as far as your connections are. Okay, so everything is fitted and connected, and I'll turn the switch on and off so that you can see how it all works.